Thank you guys. Now that we've unboxed our NanoTec kit, we're going to go ahead and show you how to properly prep and coat all the pieces inside your firearm. First thing obviously is to put on your supplied gloves for protection, and you'll start off by removing the alcohol pad to clean the firearm. This is the most important part of the entire process, which is ensuring that every part is prepped and cleaned. The product does need to have a clean prep surface for it to cure and bond to, and for us to allow the product to properly cure. Alright guys, so now that the firearm has been properly prepped and cleaned, like I said, that is one of the most important steps, is to properly maintain and clean your firearm prior to. We'll go ahead and start with the coating process. This is our long rifle kit. There's a longer bottle. This is a single use application. We recommend that you use it in its entirety the first time. So let's go ahead and start to coat our first piece. Now that you've evenly sprayed and distributed the product, use your blue microfiber head to lightly, just evenly distribute the product. And when I say lightly, the goal is to leave on as much residual product as possible without removing it. After you have done that, we'll let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. During that time, it will be curing, and what you're looking for is for the product to get tacky. So we set a clock over there, and we'll come back and we'll remove that product in about 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll go ahead and continue with putting our coating on the rest of the parts. Another option while doing a firing pin or any other parts of your firing arm is to spray the product onto your applicator pad and apply it directly to the surface. Now that it's been about 3 to 3.5 minutes here, the product is beginning to get tacky, at which point we will remove all excess. What we mean by tacky is that it is a little bit sticky to the touch. If it is very difficult to remove, just try to add a little more pressure to remove the residual product. The goal is to remove as much residual product as possible, but if you do not remove all of it, that is okay. Now that we have successfully NanoTec coated the entire long rifle, we do recommend that you look again at your installation guide. We recommend do not move or transport the firearm for 40 minutes, allowing it to fully cure, and then waiting an additional 5 days for full cure. During that time, please make sure that you do store the weapon in a safe place away from any children. After that, you may be able to reassemble the gun and fire it. Please do make sure that you refer to your sheet on the front of it here at www.getnanotec.com. You can register your warranty for the product, as well as watch any additional videos that you may want to see. Also, if you have any questions, you feel free to reach out to us at getnanotec@gmail.com. And please follow us online on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Thank you.